We are going to make a super easy sheet pan lasagna using these hearts of palm lasagna sheets, coming in at 4 net carbs per serving. It's an easy assemble. Put it in the oven. It's ready in no time flat. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. This sheet pan lasagna is so easy. First, you just layer those hearts of palm, and then I'm going to make a ricotta mixture with a container of ricotta, an egg, salt and pepper, and give it a really good mix. And then we start layering. I made a meat sauce with some really good marinara, jarred marinara, and then ground turkey. You can use ground beef if you want, but make your sauce the way you want your sauce to be. Then I add half of that ricotta mixture, some mozzarella cheese, and then I'm going to add mushrooms and olives in my lasagna. Add whatever you want. And then we start layering again with another round of those hearts of palm lasagna sheets. I love how they come in these rectangular shapes. It makes it very easy. And then the rest of my meat sauce goes on top of that. And then the remaining ricotta mixture, and I just kind of swirl it all around so it's evenly dispersed throughout. Then I'm going to top it off with the rest of that mozzarella cheese, and I like to use freshly grated Parmesan on top of mine right before I put it into my oven. And when you bring this out, this is gorgeous. Golden, bubbly. Just let it cool a little bit, slice and serve. Your family's gonna love this.